The iPhone 17 is creating quite a buzz, with rumors and leaks painting a picture of what could be a major evolution in Apple's flagship smartphone lineup. As the tech world eagerly waits for the official announcement, the iPhone 17 Pro is one model that stands out, particularly because of its potential design overhaul, especially when it comes to the rear camera system. While Apple is known for its meticulous and minimalistic design, it seems they might be taking a few bold cues from other players in the market this time around. In fact, some of the updates are reminiscent of the design language used by Google's Pixel phones. One of the most talked about changes in the iPhone 17 Pro is its rear camera setup. Leaks suggest that Apple might be opting for a larger vertically elongated camera island, which would be a departure from the more compact design of previous iPhone models. This change seems to be inspired by the design of Google's Pixel series, known for its sleek, minimalist camera island. However, Apple is taking it up a notch, making the rear camera system bulkier. While the Pixel models tend to keep their rear cameras thin and understated, the iPhone 17 Pro's larger camera island may seem like a move to incorporate more advanced technology, but it's also giving some people pause. It's clear that Apple is trying to push the limits of its design language, but it might not be landing as elegantly as they hoped. Another aspect of the new camera design that's raising eyebrows is the repositioning of the flash and sensor. With this new layout, Apple seems to be maximizing the available space to improve the camera's capabilities. While this could lead to better overall performance, there's a bit of awkwardness in the new look, and it might take some getting used to. The design feels a bit bulkier and less refined than the streamlined aesthetic Apple typically delivers. It's a noticeable change, and it might divide opinions among longtime iPhone fans who have grown accustomed to the sleek rear camera designs of previous models. Interestingly, there's also speculation that Google may be moving away from the iconic rear camera island entirely. The Pixel phones have long been associated with this design element, so if Google truly abandons it, it could mark a significant shift in how smartphones approach camera aesthetics. This could be a response to the desire for more seamless and uniform designs. Meanwhile, Apple appears ready to embrace a bold new direction with its own camera layout, even if it's not universally loved. While the rear camera system is taking center stage in the discussion, it's not the only exciting update for the iPhone 17 lineup. There's also talk of a new iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to replace the iPhone Plus models. The biggest selling point for the iPhone 17 Air is its ultra-thin body. Apple seems to be targeting users who want a sleek and stylish phone without the hefty price tag of the Pro models. If Apple can deliver an affordable phone that maintains high performance and modern design features, the iPhone 17 Air could become a strong contender in the smartphone market, offering a balance of performance and affordability. As we wait for the official release of the iPhone 17, one thing is clear. Apple is unafraid to experiment with new design choices, even if they may stir up some controversy. The iPhone 17 Pro's rear camera island might still undergo further changes before the final release, but the decision to move in this direction shows Apple's desire to innovate and take risks. The iPhone 17 Air, on the other hand, may provide a more refined, accessible option for those who don't need all the premium features of the Pro models, but still want the latest and greatest from Apple. Looking ahead, the iPhone 17 could very well mark a pivotal moment for Apple as it introduces a blend of familiar features and new innovations. The company is clearly embracing a more daring design approach, which will likely spark plenty of conversation when the devices finally hit the market. Whether or not the iPhone 17 Pro's camera system will be received as well as Apple hopes remains to be seen, but it's certain that all eyes will be on the company as they push the envelope with this next iteration of the iPhone. Stay tuned as we approach the official unveiling, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on everything iPhone 17. We'll be back soon with more insights and news on the next big tech release. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.